getting ready to create a new look for the garden. Let's get ready. I'm so excited, you guys. I finally got my galvanized metal raised beds in, and this is going to help make my garden look so much more beautiful. It's been a job getting these here. Been having issue after issue. Had to order from one place and they sent me the wrong size. I ordered 8 by 4 by 1 foot raised beds, and they had sent me 6 by 3 by 1 foot raised beds. And so I had to go to another company because when I went to try to reorder after I had shipped the wrong ones back to them, they were out of stock. So I went and got another brand altogether, and I said, sometimes you go through issues and trials and tribulations for a reason. And when I went back to look at the measurements on the original order that I had ordered, it wasn't at a true 8 by 4 by 1 foot size bed. And I said, that's why God made me have so much trouble with that first order, because he found me a raised bed that was true to size. Because I'm trying to take the metal raised bed and replace all the wood that's rotted out and falling apart here on my beds now. And this is an 8 by 4 by 1 foot size that I need to just frame the metal raised bed around where the wood was. I don't have to take the dirt out. So I wanted to make sure I had a true size measurements from what I previously had, so it would just be easily able to just fit into this spot. I wouldn't have to move out any of the soil. So hopefully I got the right size, and I'll be able to replace the wood on both of these. This one is not as bad as the other side, but I'm going to replace them both with the metal raised beds. And then I'm going to put I have like an oblong shaped metal raised beds that I'm going to put in this spot and over on that other side over there too. And then my big job going to be getting rid of all of this wood here. These pallet wood stands that I made, and I'm just going to put the raised bed, metal raised beds going along this fence line. In this area we have too many issues with the termites, and so I'm trying to get rid of as much wood material as possible, so I won't have the issue with the termites. So let me get busy opening up my packages. I'm hoping that this other raised bed come in today so I can have my full order completed. Okay, come on. Okay, let me get busy opening up my packages here. This is galvanized metal raised bed that I ordered off of Amazon, and the manufacturer is called Bluyard. So let me see what it looks like. Let me get busy putting it together. I had ordered the dark gray color. I thought that would look good around all the greenery of the plants that's going to be growing in it. This is an 8 by 4 by 1 foot size. This is the oblong shape. And the other one that I have for the that I'm replacing the wood on, under the hoop house area. It's a square shape size. Okay. Look at here. It comes with some little gloves because you don't want to cut yourself with these sharp edges of the metal. And then it comes with the rubber edges that you're going to put around the edge of the metal to make sure you don't get any cuts on you when you're using this when you're around the metal bed. This is what it's going to look like. It has like a little brace in the middle of it to give it more support once it's put together. Okay. Got to read this instruction here. Let me put my gloves on. Picking up this metal, I don't want to cut myself. Here, it has a little plastic on it, and I'm going to have to peel all this plastic off. I like that color. That's a nice color. The inside looks like it has like a little lime green color to it. I have the dark gray on the outside. It's going to be nice. These are the middle brace bars that's going to help support the frame once it's put together. I think this is all the screws here. Yeah. Bag of screws, and then it gives me a little screwdriver to screw everything in place. Bag full of screws. Gotta figure out which ones to use. Got washers and the screws and the nuts on it. And a little screwdriver thing with it. I think this is called a little wrench. I can tighten up the screws in good with. Okay, let's see. Add some more. Lay this down. Okay. It's gonna be a job trying to take all this plastic off of this metal beds too. Okay, so this looks like it's gonna be the little curvy part of the bed, and then this is the front. Either sides. We're gonna get it together. we are. Yes, we are. Let's see. Guess it'll turn like that. We're gonna get it together. It's gonna look great. Okay, let me put all of this together. I'll get back with you and show you the final results. Putting these metal raised beds together. Now to read the instructions, they got different little letters on each one of these little metal pieces here. Let me know where I need to put them at. So let me get started. Putting the first one together. Let me get busy following these instructions. Yes, this is a job in itself, just taking this plastic off of each frame that I'm going to have to do. Oh, I want to make sure when they shipped it that it didn't get scarred up. But it's a job taking it all off. And let me get it done. Another thing I like about this metal raised bed that I ordered, the top edge has a fold over it, folded in, where it's not sharp around the top edge. Just the bottom edge is sharp. So this is good. The little rubber edger that comes with it is just going to go right around the top of this smooth edge that it is. It's not sharp at all. You can see it has a fold on it on the top versus the bottom edge is more sharper. So you can just don't have to worry about cutting your fingers on it as you're putting it together with this top fold edge. And that rubber edger that comes with it is going to give it more support around the edges to make sure you don't cut yourself when you're working in your garden bed. I like how it's going to look. It's going to be filling up this area here. It's going to look nice. I'll be able to grow a lot of vegetables in this garden bed. It took some time to get all the plastic off of each one of the metal frames. It had it real airtight on it, so you had to really peel it off. It took a long time. But I got it all laid out. All the pieces laid out. Now all I have to do is just screw them together. It's gonna look nice. Yes, it is. It's gonna look nice. I have one section done. I have a lot more pieces still need to be screwed together, but it's coming along. I have one fully completed. Looking nice. It's a little wider than the space that I provided for it, so I'm going to have to put another piece of the landscape fabric down and bring my framing out a little bit more. So this is an 8 by 4 by 1 foot galvanized raised bed. Looking nice. We finished one of the raised beds that's going in the hoop house to replace all of that rotted wood that was around the bed. This is a nice size 8 by 4 by 1 foot galvanized metal raised bed. Looks good. Pulled up all of the wood from around the garden bed, all of that rotted wood. Now all I have to do is just bring the raised bed over here and put it over the area here, and it should fit good around the soil that's already here and the plants that's growing. So let me get ready to move it into its new place. Out with the old and in with the new. In with the new. New garden bed. Looks beautiful. Yes. Thanks to my family. This was a birthday gift this year for me. Looks beautiful. It looks so beautiful now. Got the metal raised bed in here. Took out all of that old rotted wood out. It looks beautiful. Oh, Cabbage, you're looking beautiful there in your new raised bed. Oh, yes. Okay. Over here. Final look, looking beautiful. Now I have my raised beds here. I still need to add some more landscape fabric here and expand it out some, because this raised bed was bigger than what I had initially framed out. Now I put my brick going around the front of this. The same on here. I need to add some more landscape fabric, because this raised bed was a lot wider than what I was expecting for this area. But it's gonna look beautiful once I fill it in with all the soil and start planting my vegetables in this bed. Oh, it's gonna look beautiful. Look at that. Okay, nice upgrade for the garden. Still got to get that area over there, but I'm going to work on it another day. Looking good.